Hi! In front of me is the DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and choose security. Now click on app lock and click open at the bottom. Then select one of those locking methods for your apps. I will go with pattern password. Now you need to enter it, choose continue, repeat it and select complete. Now go back and tap on the switchers next to apps that you wish to lock, in my case photos. Then click home button, and now when I turn off my screen, turn it back on. Then unlock my smartphone and try to access photos. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!